Stuck on what kind of freebie your audience would actually download? Most beginners waste hours guessing and end up with a lead magnet nobody wants. Here in ChatGPT, I just ask it to give me 10 lead magnet ideas that solve quick problems for target audience. Notice how it generates a whole list in seconds. Checklist, templates, quick guides, and more. This is great because you don't have to brainstorm from scratch. You can skim the list, pick one that feels like a perfect fit for your audience, and get moving today. But here's the catch. ChatGPT will give you ideas, not a full system. You still need to know which lead magnet will actually attract buyers, how to package it, and how to plug it into a funnel that builds your email list automatically. That's where the AI faceless list builder comes in. It gives you done for you AI prompts to actually create the lead magnet plus templates and checklists so you can package it quickly and plug it straight into your funnel. I've dropped the link to AI Faceless List Builder in the description so you can check it out. When you join, you also get the 7-day Faceless Funnel Activation Checklist, which gives you daily steps to go live in under a week. And of course, it's backed by a 30-day money back guarantee. So, if you're ready to go from scattered ideas to a full lead magnet system, grab the AI Faceless List Builder for less than $20. You will find the link waiting in the description.